Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to delete a document on ClickUp. Maybe you have a document that is no longer needed and contains outdated information to your current projects. So today I'm going to show you how to delete a document on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Docs. Within this list of documents, choose the one that you want to delete. For example, I want to permanently delete this document, so tap on this three dots icon at the right side of the document's name. A menu with various options will appear below, and here, tap on this delete option. ClickUp will ask for your confirmation before deleting the document. Confirm your choice by tapping on this delete button again. After that, you now have successfully deleted a document on ClickUp. The document will now be permanently removed from the application, making your workspace more organized and focused. There you go. If you wanted to know how to delete a document on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to delete a document on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.